Hello and welcome to another inorganic chemistry lesson. This time we will discuss what are synthesis reactions and how to write them. Synthesis reactions are also sometimes called combination reactions and involves two compounds that form a larger compound. So in a sense, it is A plus B equals AB. Without further ado, let's look at a few examples. All three of these reactions are synthesis reactions because only one product is formed. However, they have some differences as well. In the first reaction, we have a synthesis reaction between two elements. In the second one, we have a reaction between two compounds. And in the third one, we have a reaction between a compound and an element. In this session, I will only be talking about the most basic synthesis reaction where only two elements are involved, and we'll do another lesson for more difficult examples. Now, how to write a synthesis reaction from scratch. Let's say we need to write a reaction between sodium and sulfur. What we write is Na plus S, then add a reaction arrow and combine those two elements together to get NaS. Now, elements in compounds have charges. Sodium charge is plus and sulfur is 2 minus. We swap charges with subscripts to get the Na2S formula. All that's left is to balance the equation. We can do it by writing a coefficient 2 in front of the sodium atom. If you have a hard time understanding how to make chemical formulas or balance equations, I already covered those aspects in my videos. So please watch them because they will help you tremendously with writing various chemical reactions. I'll leave a link to those lessons in the description. Let us look at more examples regarding synthesis reactions. In this case, we have a reaction between calcium and nitrogen. So Ca reacts with N2 and we get CaN. Now, a very important thing to note here is N2. There are 7 exceptions when we write a pure element with an index 2. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. In the periodic table, you can find these exceptions right over here. And the arrangement of these exceptions kind of reminds the inverted L letter. Also, don't forget the hydrogen, which is over here. Now let's look at CaN. Calcium charge is 2 plus, and nitrogen is 3 minus. So the formula we get is Ca3N2. All that's left is to balance the reaction by writing 3 in front of pure calcium. In this case, hydrogen reacts with oxygen. Don't forget that these two are exceptions, so we must write them with index 2. So H2 plus O2. Then we add a reaction arrow and combine them together to get HO. Hydrogen charge is plus and oxygen is 2 minus. The formula we get is H2O. To balance oxygen, we need to write 2 in front of H2O, and to balance hydrogen, we write 2 in front of H2 molecule. And now we have perfectly written synthesis reaction. Our last example will be a reaction between magnesium and oxygen. Mg plus O2 and we get MgO. Magnesium is 2 plus and oxygen is 2 minus. The same charges cancel each other out, so our formula is MgO and not Mg2O2. To balance the reaction, we write 2 in front of MgO and 2 in front of Mg. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more chemistry content. Like always, I leave a few exercises with answers that you can do on your own, and see you in the next lesson.